So, giving or zakat is the third pillar of Islam. In accordance with Islamic law, Muslims must donate a portion of their income to the community members in need. Usually that's 2.5%. Um, Islam really was and is a religion of social justice and the idea of helping those who are um, in need or impoverished. In particular, Islam was really about eliminating social class, social distinctions, and really trying to create an equality amongst everybody before God. Many rulers and wealthy Muslims helped build mosques, hospitals, schools, and other institutions, both as a religious duty and to kind of participate in the zakat. Many Muslim countries address this with a tax, um, and that is how Muslims address this third pillar of Islam.